45th Foundation Day of Manipur Press Club Imphal was celebrated today at its premises, with the Chief Minister of Manipur N. Biren attending the event as the chief guest. The function was organized by the Old Manipur Working Journalists Union AMJU. At least 28 students were injured as violence broke out at Jawaharlal Nehru University JNU in Delhi yesterday. According to media reports, masked miscreants attacked students and teachers of the university and damaged properties on the campus. In the violence, the president of the JNU Students' Union, Aise Ghosh, was also injured. Endorsing the nationwide general strike call by national trade unions, independent federations, banks, insurance and transport bodies on January 8 to air their grievances, the coordinating body of trade unions Manipur has also decided to impose Manipur-wide ban on the same day. The family members of labourers of FCI Godown staged a protest demonstration at Samu Makhong of Khwaramban Bazaar this afternoon, condemning en mass termination of labourers and imprisonment of 31 labourers. In continuation of the security measures taken up by the Manipur Police, Imphal West Commando conducted such operation at Nepali Basti of Thangmoiban Yumnam Laikai, a locality located close to Manipur Legislative Assembly complex this morning. Former Mrs. Iowa 2017 runners-up Konsam Asakiran has been conferred the Women's Excellence Achievement Awards India Award 2020 for fitness. The award was presented to her yesterday at Hotel Stardom, Jaipur. Asakiran is the wife of R.K. Pavitra of Nagamapal Phawai Sangbam Laikai and a mother of two. Manipuri Battalion of 9th Sector Assam Rifles organized a community service program with an aim to interact with the local populace as well as to sensitize them with regard to existing security situation in the area. The Community Service Cum Interaction Program was organized by Yangang Popi Company Operating Base of Manipuri Battalion of Chingmang Village. The Myanmar government is setting the stage for the visit of Chinese President Xi Jinping to the country. According to media reports, Xi Jinping is scheduled to discuss China-Myanmar relations and the progress of Chinese development projects. This will be Xi Jinping's first visit to Myanmar after more than a decade.